Individual development must improve or you will fall behind. The Japanese have a word for this concept, kaizen, which means continuous improvement. From Misaki Imai's book, Kaizen, the essence of Kaizen is simple and straightforward. Kaizen means improvement. Moreover, Kaizen means ongoing improvements involving everyone, including both managers and workers. The Kaizen philosophy assumes that our way of life, be it your working life, your social life, or your home life, deserves to be constantly improved. A commitment to this core principle was at the heart of total quality revolution that swept throughout the manufacturing sector during the last decade or two. In the United States, we've almost always, had a strong bias towards innovation and breakthrough thinking. No doubt this is at the heart of much of the success we have had in leading the world of change. But the concept of continuous improvement added a significant dimension to the production equation. Instead of a focus on hitting home runs every day, the Kaizen approach calls for the little improvements that add up to significant change. When we in the United States began to combine our capacity for innovation with that of continuous improvement, we managed not only to catch up to the Japanese companies, but we began to pass them. The same concept must hold true for us as individuals. We must continue to focus on major breakthroughs in learning, but we must also deploy continuous improvement through the daily learning. The breakthroughs can be as small as completing a single distance learning course online, or as large as completing a master's degree program. Continuous learning can be as complex as learning a new processing system, bringing implementation at work, or as simple as learning about a new Intel chip that has more processing speed.